What's up guys? If you've been around the channel, you know I've already done a full install on this swing case. Well, I liked it so much, I just had to get my hands on the other side, so I've already installed that one. I'm going to show you that real quick, and then we're going to test it out and see how long it can hold ice. With football season fastly approaching, I want to test this out, see if I could use it as a cooler. So I went, bought me a 10-pound bag of ice. Let me put that in there, and then we're going to see how long it lasts. As you can see, that's a 10-pound bag of ice in there, and you've still got plenty of room, so you could probably put another bag, but of course you're gonna fill it full of drinks, so that's probably appropriate. So let me pull this thing out of the garage, put it in the heat, and we'll start the timer. All we can do now is wait. All right, well, it's been an hour, so let's check it out. And there is still ice in there, so we will check back in a few. All right, we're coming up on our 3-hour mark. Let's go ahead and show you the top of this box, what it's reading, and it's right around 160 degrees. So let's check inside, see how much ice we've got left. So we definitely have a little bit left, but we definitely also have water. So let's keep it going and see how long until it's all water. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it. It just started raining on me, so it's been 5 hours. That's plenty of time for a tailgate, or if you're in the parking lot about to go into the game. So let's check the ice situation. And we've still got a little bit of ice, but it's mainly water. So you should be good for about 4 or 5 hours. I wanna show you guys how easy it is to take this out and dump the water out once it's melted. So let's go ahead and swing it this way, and then you're just gonna pick right up, and then you're gonna go dump it. So easy as that. For those of you that do want to use this as a cooler, I would recommend getting you some foam board insulation that you could stick at the top of this possibly. It'll cut down on that heat. And I've actually got some from when I did my building, so I might actually try to experiment with that, cut me out a piece. I really like having 2 of these swing cases in the truck, but if you're thinking, hey, I only really want one, I would recommend getting the driver's side because yes, they both do cover up the lights, but your outlet in the Chevy Trail Boss is over here on the passenger side. So if you just want one, go with the driver's side. I want to give you a couple of quick tips if you do go with both of them. For those of you that want to know the distance between the cases, in case you're trying to slide something in here, it's right about 45 inches. The key that both of these cases come with do work for both locks, so you don't have to worry about having 2 different keys for 2 different boxes. Just want to show you where these swing out to. If you have both of them, they come out to about right here, and then you can just swing them back. I want to thank Real Truck for sending these cases out. I really like them. They own this brand. They own a ton of brands, so make sure you check them out. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, we'll see y'all.